Hello, welcome to Waggy's Travels. Quick apology for the short little film you're just about to watch. It was meant to have been it is about a walk around Lydford Gorge and the actual waterfall. However, I don't know how I've managed to do it, but I've lost the first 3 minutes of the film, so you actually lose the entrance into it and the waterfall. However, you do see some lovely views around the gorge and as normal the tea room, and Lisa having a few problems with the cream tea. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll try at some point to get back and video the bit I actually missed. Anyway, more as it happens. Well, we've had a look around the waterfall, and now we're taking the long and easy route. So
I think the word should be easier.
yeah, easier. So this looks like it follows the path of the river. What I wanted to do was the railway walk, but that may have to be for another day. But we're doing well. We're doing well. What I like is there's little signs everywhere to tell you what you're doing and what's about. And what's this? Oh, mining. Oh, well. So, entrance to a mine. Oh wow, brilliant stuff. I don't know if you can actually see any further down there with the camera than I can, but no, it's not focusing too well, but oh, here we go, it's focused out. That's the entrance into a mine. Brilliant stuff, absolutely brilliant. So, having read the plaque for the mine, it appears that it was last used in the Second World War. So that's kind of interesting. There's actually two entrances to Lydford Gorge. You've got the cauldron entrance. It's very easy for me to say. Cauldron entrance and the waterfall entrance. We chose to come in the waterfall entrance, thinking it would be easier for my mother, bless her, who is 90 and in a wheelchair, but that wasn't to be. So anyway, yeah, sorry, it's all right, just messing around in the camera as we're speaking. Yeah, so just assumed it would be easier, but it's not. But there you go. Anyway, more as it happens. So this is the easy route, which now appears to be climbing slightly. Let the fun begin.
Brown sphere on the canopy. Oh, perfect. Imagine.
So we've been for a walk, and obviously I'm just only having a cup of tea, and Lisa is having a cream tea because she's worked harder than me up in the hills.
Oh yes.
She's just nearly got cream all in her fruit tea.
In my hair.
In her hair. She's worn a tree today, plus many bugs. You got cream all around your lips. Anyway, yeah, we're performing to our normal standards.
Napkin for yours. Oh,
for my tea. Thank you ever so much. Right, later. Okay, so we have a dilemma in that the reason for the cream going everywhere is that the cream isn't set.
Oh.
It's running. You must be able to get another bit. You should just spoon a bit out, put a bit more on your scone, and people will see what you mean.
No. It's terrible.
Well, so far we've managed to dunk our Tiffany bracelet into our fruit tea
Burn my arm.
and burn your arm. Mother's just gone completely deaf to it all and hasn't realised the joke. And no, Lewis is just about to do himself a cream tea with. I think he might have some jam with that. So.
This is so much more enjoyable if you're not being filmed while you're doing it.
Such a dainty amount. Right, enough Mickey taking.